everything you've faced, who are you now compared to the woman you were before? Like, do you think you have changed so much? And tell us about it.
Now I'm more living my life purposeful. Lahat ng ginagawa ko ngayon, iniisip ko na anytime pwedeng magbago ulit ang kapalaran ko.
Yeah.
I want to spread hope. I want to teach people. You have to ask. You just have to reach out to people. Sinabi ko, hindi na ako mahihiya sa iyo. Even yung savings namin is not enough to get me through the entire
Mahal po kasi
treatment.
talaga,
Mahal po
guys.
siya.
Oo.
So, sabi ko, hindi ako natulong sa iyo. You know what? Without any hesitation, without judgment, mga katulad. And yung high school friend ko, hi Glads, si Gladys, sabi niya sa akin, you know, we should normalize